Number 4, you're going to use the following recursive sequences. So this is when we know that A1 equals to 5. That gives us the recursive formula. Then we're asked to find the A4. So let's just write out that sequence here. So we have 5. This is our A1 term. Then our second term, then our third term, then we are given our fourth term, which is AF4. So what we should do is probably apply our recursive formula, get all these terms, then figure out what A4 is. This plus 2, this is the common difference of 2. That means to go from 5 to our next term, we add 2. So 5 add 2 becomes 7. We're going to apply that again, or add 2. This becomes 9. Then we're going to do that again by adding the common difference of 2. That becomes an 11. Here we go. We got our answer right here. Our A of 4 is equal to 11. Next, let's do B. Here we're asked to find the A3 term, and we're given the A1 term. A1 was 5 dash. Second term here, here's our third term, A3. To get to my next term, let's take a look at the rule. Here it looks like it is being multiplied by a -3, which is the common ratio. So here we're applying that common ratio. 5 times -3 is -15. Then we're going to multiply that again. I think that is -15 times -3. That is a positive 45. So this is what we are looking for. We can now say it's A3 is equal to 45. Next, A2 is 5, and we're asking to find the A5 term. So let's just write out that sequence really quick. This is 5, which is A2. Dash becomes A3, dash becomes A4, dash becomes A5. Okay? To get to our next term, it looks like we're adding 1/2. So this becomes 5.5. Again, add 1/2. This becomes 6. Add 1/2. This becomes 6.5. So we can now say here that A5 is equal to 6.5. And then the last one, we are given A4. So this is A4, 10, A4. And we're asked to find A0. Wow, we actually have to go backwards. This becomes A3, A2, A1, A0. Let's just write it. A3, A2, A1, A0. Correct. All right. This is the common difference here. It is -1/2. That means to go to the next term, you add or you minus negative, or you minus 1/2. So it becomes 9.5. Okay. But we want to go backwards here. So we're going to add 1/2. It becomes 10.5. We have to go backwards again. So we're going to add 1/2. This becomes 11. Go back, add 1/2. This becomes 11.5. Go back. This becomes, add 1/2. This becomes 12. Okay. So 10, 2, 2, 1, 0. Perfect. So this would be it. A0 is equal to 12. Okay. So there you go. We just had to apply that common difference backwards. So there you go. That is how you use the recursive formula to get any given term for the sequence.